Reasons why engine is misfire, by CB Tech Vlog number 2. Number 1. Bad spark plugs. When the spark plugs is bad, this cause will delay the combustion effect. A misfire means one or more of the cylinders in your engine are not producing the power they should. Number 2. Bad ignition coil. An ignition coil, also called a spark coil, is an induction coil in an automobile's ignition system that transforms the battery's voltage to the thousands of volts needed to create an electric spark in the spark plugs to ignite the fuel. When the ignition coil is bad, it will cause your vehicle to misfire when you accelerate. In extreme cases, a misfire could cause your vehicle to shut down while you are driving. The misfire is a result of one of the cylinders fires incorrectly or not at all. Number 3. Bad fuel injectors. A fuel injector is a device for atomizing and injecting fuel into an internal combustion engine. When the fuel injectors is bad, the engine will start to rough idle or engine stalls, engine vibrate, engine misfire, and check engine light is on. Number 4. Worn engine valves. Engine valves are mechanical components used in internal combustion engines to allow or restrict the flow of fluid or gas to and from the combustion chambers or cylinders during engine operation. When the engine valves fail, the engine power is loss. And if your valve guides and seals are leaking, oil can accumulate on the top of the valve and cause it to lose its seat or create a gap. This could cause compression issues, which lead to poor combustion and power loss. Burnt valves are another problem that contributes to power issues. Number 5. Worn piston rings. Pistons are usually equipped with piston rings. These are circular metal rings that fit into grooves in the piston walls and assure a snug fit of the piston inside the cylinder. They help provide a seal to prevent leakage of compressed gases around the piston and to prevent lubricating oil. When you have bad piston rings or the valves, cylinder walls, or a head gasket leak, the vehicle engine will stall, causing misfiring. You will notice white smoke from the engine. That means that the worn out and damaged piston rings can no longer seal the cylinder adequately. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comments your thoughts and subscribe to our channel.